Why every person who trades tokens on the Solana network should watch this video. Because in it, I will tell you about a bot that is extremely easy to use. Even Formula 1 would envy its speed, and the bot has extensive functionality. There's just hands-on buying, sniper trading, setting up to 4 take profits, which will allow you to not sit in front of the chart around the clock, and other features. Additionally, the team has created a channel where they post good tokens. Furthermore, they will soon be adding the functionality of copy trading, not just for wallets, but also for channels. Basically, if you set up the bot correctly, you can just sit back and let it do the trading for you. Everything happens automatically. Hey, it's DXman, and today we're going to talk about the DeFi Solana bot developed by our team. The link to him will be in the description. Let's go. Let's start from the simple and move on to the complex. We start the bot and it tells us that we need to subscribe to its resources to continue. We hop into them, sign up, and hit update. After that, we get wallet data. I'll top it up to make it more visible. In DeFi Solana bot, an internal wallet is created, so make sure to save its data separately and import it into an external wallet, like Phantom, so that you have access to it without using the bot. Let's go to the wallet section. Here we see the balance and 2 buttons. By pressing the left button, we can send the dough to another wallet. Similar to the example, we specify the wallet address to which we will be sending and the amount of Salan. With the right mouse button, we can take a look at our private key. Let's keep going. Click on Buy. First, I want to mention there's a button here to join the chat with Signals, where you can get reliable tokens. We'll be adding a few more chats soon, so the sources of the uploads will be different accordingly. And in order to simply buy the token manually, as indicated, we insert the contract address and the amount in Solana. But first you need to set up take profits if you don't plan on fixing them manually. Let's hit take profit. You can specify 4 takeaways here. The first value is the percent of growth from your entry point. The second value is the amount of tokens you want to sell. The total percentage of tokens should not exceed 100%. For example, 110, 50, 340, 910, 900, 0. So in this case, the first sale is when the token grows by 110% and sells 50%. For the initial sale, it occurs when the token grows by 110% from entry and sells half of the acquired tokens. The second take will work when it grows by 300% and sells 40% of the bought tokens, etc. If you want to leave a tail, for example 30%, then we set the first take profit so that there is a sale, for example 70% of the tokens when they grow by 150%, and we specify the remaining values as 150, 0. You can't just put 0 in the percentage growth value, otherwise there will be an immediate sale. Confirmed, the take profit values have changed. Awesome. We can also set stop loss and trailing stop settings. Let's go to this menu. We're going to do everything just like in the example. The first value is stop loss, the second is trailing stop. If we don't want to install any of them, we specify the value 0. As an example, I set stop at 30% and trailing stop at 90%. So if the price drops by 30%, the deal will close at a loss. But if the profit hits 90%, the trailing stop will be triggered. We've got this sorted out. Another useful feature is a limit order for buying. He establishes it in the event that you do not desire to wait for the price of the token to be suitable to purchase it manually. The bot will do it for you. Let's go to the limit order section. To install, you need to send the bot one message with the token contract, the amount you want to buy in Solanas, and the purchase price, all separated by a space. Price at which order will be executed. Also need to mention her in Salons. I'll grab token from channel with Signals. I'm copying the contract, pasting it, and writing the amount. Looks like we've got this order showing up in our requests. To delete, just click on the trash can, order deleted. Now let's move on to the manual purchase. To do this, you need to insert the contract and the purchase amount in the buy section. You got it. Great, we got the token. Here we see how much time it took to make the purchase, the price, the number of tokens, and the take. To see how much the token has grown or fallen, we go to the position section, and here we see this data. Clicking on the title, we'll go to the deck screener, where we'll see our position on the chart. By the way, the stop loss has already kicked in and the position closed. We see that in the bot. I'll buy the token again to show you how to sell it. Also, I'm attaching the contract and the amount. Got the token? Let's go to the position section. By clicking on the last trade button, we can see the previous trades. Refresh updates the data. And by pressing the button with the token name, we can sell it with the sell button. Alright, the token is sold. Here we can see the number of tokens sold, how much Solana has returned to our wallet, and the bot's commission. BTW, I want to say the bot is available in both premium and free versions. The cost of a monthly premium subscription is only 1 Solana. In general, the bot uses the best nodes to optimize and speed up transactions. Currently, the bot sends 5 transaction requests per second to a single user, which is applicable to the free tariff, and 10 requests per second to a single user for the premium tariff. Also, as part of the premium subscription, a separate node is allocated for community on-demand requests. Price monitoring happens at a speed of 15 seconds for the free plan and 5 seconds for the premium. So, it's the speed of updating and displaying data in the terminal. There is also a limit on the number of open positions for the free tariff. It's 5, while for the premium it's 25. An open position is either a token that has already been purchased or a limit order to buy, as well as sniping. Takes are not considered open positions. In the free version, users are charged a 0.5% commission for buying and a 1.5% commission for selling. In premium, it's a 0.3% fee for buying and 0.7% fee for selling. Premium also includes VIP chat and premium calls. Honestly, for regular trading, the free plan is more than enough and the speed is top-notch. In the near future, we will also add the option of auto trading for purchasing through channels, parsing directly from the blockchain, increase the number of transaction requests, and plan many different updates for premium. And we'll move on to the next section, which is sniping. We hit sniper. Here we have a link to a channel where we can find contracts for sniping. In the bot, we configure take profits separately for sniping using the settings button. Same when we bought it manually. So you know how convenient it is? You set up a sniper and immediately take the shot. The bot automatically buys and sells tokens. This is the most convenient feature for Solana. To set up sniping, go to the sniper section and click snipe. Next, just paste the token contract you want to snipe and specify the purchase amount in Solana coins, separated by a space. Now our request is in the queue, and when the sniper hits, you'll get a notification. And to delete, we navigate to the snipe section and also click on the trash can. Position deleted. In the menu, you can view chat and channel by clicking community button. By clicking referrals button, you can learn about referral program. By the way, she's pretty attractive. Well, once you've fallen into the premium, you can see the details about the tariff and choose a suitable period of use. That's how everything is set up in the bot. Super simple and fast. I was glad to share the information with you. Don't forget to react and subscribe to the channel. See ya, folks!